Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through API in DEM vulnerable web application at the high security level. This should be the last one in this DEM vulnerable web application series. And I haven't done the cryptography at the high security level, which is currently beyond my capability. Anyhow, let's get started. First of all, we need to security level to high, and then we can navigate to API section. Here is the open API document. If we can have API document in hand, this would be easier for us to find its vulnerabilities. Otherwise, we need to take some other tools such as directory enumeration. Okay? Now, we can open link to download this YAML file. I've already done that before. And, this is, if we manually check this YAML file or open API document, this would be a bit difficult for us. So we can utilize some other tools. For example, one of them is this Swagger editor, which is so wonderful for us to analyze API document. So here we can automatically get all endpoints of API and different methods for each individual endpoint. Okay, even can give us the the example to to access. So here I'm trying to explore or access this endpoint. We can copy and access this one. Hit enter, but we got error. So this is the problem. Maybe you do this DVWA, you will encounter similar problem. And to solve this problem, we need to reboot my machine. Okay. I do not want to skip this part because this is the problem you possibly encounter either. Don't worry. If you encounter such problem, after you reboot the machine, you can get this problem disappeared. Okay? And we can fire up the browser to continue our journey. So here, I can copy the address one more time. We can copy, for example, this address, just this part isn't enough. Hit enter. Yes, we got this error. The allocation of blah, 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 and this likely caused by security restriction. Why? As indicated by this, this example, we need to use post as a method. Okay, so how to do? Let me launch Burp Suite. And, Burp Suite can allow us to manipulate many things, including the method. Next, start Burp Suite. And we can intercept this request. All right, and then we can send this request to a repeater or module. And here we are going to manipulate request here. For example, the first thing we need to modify is method from get to post and apply changes. So then we can send it one more time. But we need to, target not specify. If you check the example, we need to specify the target. Okay, this is what I'm going to do next. And so the target, for example, we can put the local host But also we need to put another field in the request header, content type. For example, your already application JSON application, not a response. I'm going to manipulate request header, not response header. Okay. And I'd like to add content type, and the value is application JSON at. Okay. And we can send it. Target not specified. Why? Why I still got the error? Connectivity schema target post send it. Yes. This time we got status of OK. So I think from the endpoint, possibly, this endpoint exists command injection. Okay. For example, I can try to run command who am I and send it. But the command who am I was not executed as we expected. But we can take another way to do furthermore choice. This is also very important technique. Okay, when we do the command injection, we can set up with a server, and we can try to run like Q. The port number is 8000. If our web server with Python 3 can get or receive request, and then this means the command Q has been executed. Okay, send it. Yes, we have already got back the request. Okay, so next we can try to, for example, run command like anything command, and we can run who am I again, send it. The result would be the value, and this value will be passed or will be sent to our web server. Yes, the user name, the current user is www-data, and you can run many other commands. So I think up to now we have really demonstrated how to exploit the API at the high security level. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye.